Good evening. So in this class we will see the number system part 2, very important concept, and then we are going to discuss the questions also. So here we are going to see how to find a number of zeros in a given product. This is the very important topic. Yes, if you go through the previous year question papers, you can able to see a question from this area. So therefore give some importance to this topic. So here, how to find a zeros in a given product. The simple procedure is express the given in terms of 2 into 5. So 2 into 5, obviously it is nothing but a 10. After knowing this, okay, how much tens you can able to make, then that much number of zeros you are getting, since 2 into 5 is nothing but the 10. So that is the logic behind this one. Here the first step is express a given in terms of 2 into 5. After that, just take the least power among them. Since the least power only you can express a number of zeros. So that is the basic idea behind this concept. So here I will give you a simple thing here. For example, I am giving 25, I am giving 37, I am giving 10 here. So then 71, then 75, then you can take 5, you can take any number. So even 19, then 30, then 50. So what would be the number of zeros in this number? So here, in order to find the number of zeros, always try to express the given in terms of a product of 2 into 5, or else find out the 10 powers. So that is a simple thing. So here this can be written as 5 square, 37 you don't want, here this also we don't want, 19 also we don't want, leave that. Since these numbers you cannot express in terms of your 2 into 5, leave it. So therefore here this 10 can be expressed in terms of 2 into 5. Then this can be expressed in terms of 3 into 25, that 25 can be expressed as 5 square. Then again here 5. Then this can be expressed as 3 into 10, the 10 can be expressed as 2 into 5. This can be expressed as 5 into 10. Then the 10 can be expressed as 2 into 5. That's it. Now find out the, so here 3 I don't want, here also 3 I don't want. We need to express the given in terms of your 2 powers and then 5 powers. So now here 2. So therefore here 1, 2, 3. So if by seeing this itself, this is greater than 3. The power of 5 is greater than 3. So do not want to count itself, since take the least power among them. So then this much of tens only you can able to find. So this much of tens into whatever be the number, then that is going to be the number of zeros. So here you are expressing only 3 tens here, 3 tens here. So therefore 3 zeros will be there, since whatever be the number is multiplied with the 3 zeros. So therefore you will get a 3 zeros in that places. So rest of the numbers you do not have to bother. So why I am saying 3 zeros here? The minimum power itself is 3. Since 5 power is greater than 3, you do not have to bother that. Since you can able to make only 3 pairs of 2 into 5, therefore 10, 10, 10. So therefore this is nothing but the 1000. This 1000 into any number, okay, 1000 into any number, which cannot be expressed further in terms of 2 into 5, or else which cannot be expressed further in terms of a multiple of 10, or else power of, okay, base is the 10, power of anything. So with this we can able to derive that the number of zeros given in the question is 3. Answer is 3. If you are having any doubts, please clarify now. I explained very briefly. Still, if you are facing any doubts, you can ask. Anybody having issue with this question? No. Fine. So next one. Listen very carefully. So counting the number of zeros. So take this note. This is very important shortcut also. Counting the number of zeros. Counting the number of zeros at the end of n factorial. At the end of n factorial. Suppose if they will give you a question 50 factorial, how many zeros are there in the 50 factorial? So in such a situation, what you need to do is just check this procedure. What you need to do is whatever be that n. So here the n is equal to 5. I'll give you a shortcut. 50 factorial means what you need to do. You know the concept called as 1 into 2 into 4 into 5 into, you need to express this up to 50. Then you need to check how many zeros will be there in the product. So it's a quite a lengthy process. To overcome such a thing, what we are going to do here is just take this node. So here take n by 5 plus n by 5 square, n by 5 cube, n by 5 power 4, n by 5 power 4. Is it visible? Screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus dot dot dot. That's it. This is nothing but the simple shortcut to find out this one. So now let me tell you here for a 50 factorial. Okay, so here n is 50. Okay, n is 50. So now what you need to do is you just put your n 50 by 5, 50 by 5 square. Yes, this is divisible. Then 50 by 5 cube. 5 cube is nothing but 125. When the numerator is lesser than the denominator, stop here itself. Do not have to count from this number. So now you can divide this one. So how many times here? 10 times. Here 12. Okay, so therefore 2, therefore 12. Okay, so therefore 12 zeros are there at the end of 50 factorial. Everyone got how to find out this one for your factorial? Yes or no? That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, since we are going to face a question now, so that is why I am asking you this concept and all. Very important for the safety purpose, I am giving you these concepts, since very important, since UPSC nowadays giving questions in such a manner, you need to. Okay, now listen very carefully. How many number of zeros are there in the following expression? In the following expression, see the expression itself quite complicated. So 2 power 11 into 125 power 3 into 7 power 11 plus 3 power 11 into 7 power 11 into 2 power 10 into 5 power 1, 11 power 12 into 2 power 13 into 5 power 125. Now, how could you find the number of zeros here? How to find a number of zeros here in this question? I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes time. You people try this question. I will explain. At least those who are having your knowledge, you may try. Those who are not having any idea with respect to this one, stay. I will teach you. Having idea means fine, or else fine. Wait, I will teach you.
34 zeros.
34. 34.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wrong.
So 13, sir?
Wrong. So how can you express this one?
So 20 zeros.
20 zeros? No. 20 is also wrong.
So 25.
No. See, I have provided here plus symbol. This is plus. Here also plus. Then how could you express this one?
34.
Hmm?
34.
34.
Yes.
No. How? 34, etc. I don't know. So now, so what is 2 power 11? What is 2 power 11? Whether it can be reduced? Whether it can be reduced?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why can't you reduce this one?
Sir, because we are getting the unit place as 8.
You are getting unit place as
8.
8 here. So you are saying that here 2 power 3, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many of you understood the unit place concept, yesterday's concept? Then, uh, then tell me this one. 5
5
power.
cube.
Uh,
5 or 6, sir.
so 5 cube. 5 cube is equal to what? 5.
5,
5.
5 cube, whole to cube, 5 or 6.
Then 7. 7 power 3. Isn't it? Yes or no?
No,
Sir,
Sir,
sir.
why are you writing 7 power 3?
Also 7 for 3.
Yesterday what you people have done? 3, 2, 3, 7, 8 follows the same pattern.
Oh, okay.
Understood, everyone? See, if you are not running the single class, then you will not able to understand. That's it. The rest of your choice. Now here, 3 power 3. Then next one is what?
3.
Okay.
7 power 3. Then 2 power 2. Then 5. So next one is what? 11 power. So not 11.
4.
1. 1, right?
4.
Yes, sir.
So
1.
therefore, let us take this as a 1. So then this is 1.
2.
Then next this one 5 power
5.
huh?
So unit place will be 5.
Unit place is a 5. Fine. So after knowing this one, after expressing this one, whether anything can be taken as a common. Anything can be taken as a common. So let us take, okay, fine. So you are taking 8 here, here 5 here. Alright. So then what is this one? 7 into 2, 49, 49 into 3, isn't it? 49 into 3.
7, 49 to 7.
So listen very carefully. So here 7. Okay. What is, actually this is 40, right? This is 40.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 40 into this one. 40 into this one. So multiply this one. 7 here. Then 2 here. 147, isn't it? 147. Now you people just multiply. Here the unit place is equal to what? 0, huh? Isn't it? Am I right?
So 49 into 7.
40, oh sorry, 49 into 7. 243, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 243.
So 343, sir.
343.
343.
Okay. 343. Okay. Now next thing. What we have to do? Expand this one. So then here, whether we need to bother about this one. How many zeros will be there actually in this area? Can we say only 1 0 will be there in this area?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or else you can check here. 27, then 7 cube, 343, then 4 here, then 5 here. So now listen, here the unit place is 0, here also unit place is 0, here also unit place is 0, isn't it? Yes.
Okay.
So now
Yes, sir.
if you check the 10th place, if you check the 10th place, listen very carefully. 10th place, when you are adding this, since here the unit place is 0, here the unit place is equal to 0, here the unit place is equal to 0. If all the unit places are adding, then here it is 0, isn't it? The resultant unit place is 0, isn't it? Now,
Yes,
everyone
sir.
getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Now, what would be the 10th place? 10th place is a sum number. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Or else, how many number of zeros there in the expression? That's it. That is the question here. Okay. If you want, we will check fully also. Then only you people can able to understand. Okay. 27 into 343. 9261. Right. So then this is 10. Now you people check your, sorry. Oh, here we have to multiply, right? Here into what? Into 20. So if you multiply this with 20, you will get a 0 4 4 0 7 3. So next one is 10 here. Now you add your 0, then check your 7, then obviously no 0 here, no 0 here, no 0 here, no 0 here. How many zeros there in the expression? Only 1 0 there in the expression. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Only 1 0 is there in the given expression. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very important. Don't simply see, read the symbols here. Not everything has been provided as a product. Here it is plus. So therefore symbol plays a very vital role. So please take note of these things. I hope this is a new question. Okay, in all the batches I haven't taught this question, isn't it?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you please explain the conclusion parts? Like without multiplying and adding and showing that the units place is zero,
Hmm.
can
Even if you
we?
multiply, and add, then so
Yes,
unit
sir.
place is 0 only.
By not doing that step, how can we conclude? Can you please say
0 into anything what?
zero?
That is the unit place here 0. Right.
Okay.
Here
Okay.
4 into 5 what?
20.
So that is the unit place 0. So here
Okay,
2
sir.
into 5 what? Unit place 0. Add the unit place. Since
Yeah.
the question here is addition. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So therefore adding zeros, that the unit place only is a 0 here. Understood?
Okay, sir. Okay.
So this is
Thank you.
this will you will get the logic only by practice. So now see, even without saying you can easily say that okay, the first thing do not produce 0. First thing, do not produce 0. Okay, you need to eliminate those things which do not produce a 0, then only easily you can able to. So now this question, find the number of zeros in the expression. Very important model. UPSC will put in this way dot 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 dot. So like this they are giving. Sometimes we need to focus a lot with this kind of questions. I will tell you how to solve this question, then I will give you one question here. To solve this kind of questions, what you need to do is first express a given, whether if you can able to take 5 as a common, please take that 5 as a common here. Here I am taking 5 as a common. Okay, 1 5 is there. So this 10 can be written as 5 into 2. This can be written as 5 into 3. This can be written as 5 into 4. So like this, when you are taking 5, how many such 5s we can able to take? That is very important. So here this 250 can be written as what? 5 into 50. Right. So therefore we can able to take 5 power 50. Understood? 5 power 50. So this is 5 power 1. Here 1, here 1, here 1. Since base is common, you need to add all the powers. Then what will happen? So here for example I am giving here 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one is going to be the 5. Next one is 6. Then this is 7. So like this you are going to take 55 there as a common. I hope you people are getting the concept here. After taking this as a common, now easily you can say here, this you can take it as a 1. Yes, 5 common. Since here you have taken the 5, therefore this can be expressed as 5 into 2. Therefore here 2, then 3, then 4, 5, etc, etc, etc into 50. So since this can be written as 5 into 50. So you have taken the 5, then 50 is there. Then what you need to do here is, the second term is completely, you can say this as a 50 factorial. Am I right? This is the
Yes,
50
sir.
Yes, sir.
factorial. Now, how many zeros are there in the 50 factorial? Just now I explained how to do that one. First of all, for a 50 factorial, how many zeros are there? 50 by 5, then
12 zeros.
50 by 5 square. That's it. So therefore, here 12, isn't it? Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then what you need to do here, listen, when, listen, very important point. When a product contains your, when the product contains your, then you need to check the how many 2's also contains here in this 50 factorial. How many 2's will be there? So in this case what you need to do, you have to divide like this, 2 square 50 by 2 cube then 50 by 2 power 4. Understanding? 50 by what you have to take? 2 power 5. Then what you need to do? 50 by 2 power 6. Now listen carefully. Here this gives you 25. Okay, this is 25. This is 4, right? What you have to do is divide this one. Divide this one. 4 here. How many times? 1 times 4, 1 0, 2 here, then 8. You need to take the quotient alone. Please remember the point. You need to take the quotient alone. So therefore 12 here, then 50 by 8. 50 by 8. Baba baby. Please mute. Please mute, or else some of the team members, please mute him. 50 by 8. So 50 by 8 is equal to what? So then we can say that 50, how many times? 6 times. So therefore you can take a 6 here. Then 50 by 16, 3 times 48. Therefore you have to take a 3 here. Then 32, only 1 time you have to take. Now 2 per 6 will become what? 64. This exceeds 50. Then you have to stop it here itself. Then add this thing. Add this thing. How many 2's are there? How many 2's? 2's are 10, 35, 47. 2's are 47, isn't it? How many 5's are there? Here 12. Here already 5 power 50 5's are there. So totally 62 5's are there. I hope you people are getting the point. Right? Least among them is the number of zeros. So therefore, how many number of zeros are there?
47.
47.
So 47 zeros are there. So understanding this question, how to solve?
Sir, can you please explain once again, sir?
My thing is, while I am explaining, please stop me if you are not able to understand, to save your time. Save our time also. That is my request. After completing everything, then again explain, sir, means what can I say?
Okay.
I will explain that in the next question. Same concept I will explain in the next question. You people stop me if you are not able to understand. Okay, stop me there itself. Don't stop me after completing. Sir, is asking the doubt is different. Asking to explain again is different. Please understand that one. Now listen. So 5 into 10 into I am explaining for this. Okay. So don't do the mistake again. 20. Then what happened? 25. Then 35. Now what I am going to do is I am going to stop here with 100. What we have done in the previous question is 250. Same logic I am going to apply for the 100 also. Okay, this I am extending up to 100. The previous question is extending up to 250. The first thing is we need to take, okay, when this expression can be expressed as a multiple of 5, then you have to take all the powers of 5. Since this can be expressed as 5 into 10 can be expressed as 2 into 5, 15 can be expressed as 3 into 5, then 20 can be expressed as 4 into 5, then 25 can be expressed as 5 into 5, then 30 is there. Okay, 30 can be expressed as 6 into 5. So like this I am expressing, okay, this as, okay, this 100 also you can express in terms of your 5. So how could you express that 100 in terms of your 5? 5 into 20, right? Then what you need to do is how many 5s are there. So here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5. Then like this you are having 5 power 20. Understood? 5 power 20. So therefore I am taking that 5 power 20 as a common. See, if you do not understand means please stop here. Stop me in the immediate step itself. So now here 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into the 4 etc up to 20. Now what we need to do is this is 5 power 20. So here we are having 20 factorial. So for this
Sir, I
20
have a question.
huh?
Sir, I have a question. Sir,
Hmm.
if we multiply just 5 into 3, then also we will be getting
Hmm.
15.
Hmm.
Then also we'll be getting 15, sir. So why are we taking this power 20?
Why we having taking power 20? How many such powers are there actually with respect to 5?
Okay,
See,
so
when bases are common, powers are getting added. Understood this
okay,
concept?
okay, sir.
Understood this concept?
Okay, okay, okay,
2
sir.
power 1 into 2 power 2 into 2 power 3, you can say that as 2 power 6, isn't it?
Okay, sir. Okay.
So please don't confuse yourself. Please understand, when base is common, okay, the base is common, powers are different, but when they are giving in terms of a product, then base will be the powers getting added. So that is the logic behind that. Understood?
Okay, sir. Thank you,
This
sir.
is the common. Okay, I think it's a 8th standard mathematics. Okay, so fine, not an issue. Okay, clear your doubts. Okay, I think Krishna understood us. Krishna was shy. Sai, yeah. Srikanta.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine.
Understood, sir.
Understood why we are getting this power 20 there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Previous question we have got 50 here. Why 50 here? Since last 5 into 50 times we have expanded like this. Understood? So this is the difference between these things. So now what you need to do here is, here first of all you need to check how many 2's are there, how many 5's are there in this 20 factorial. See here, if the question is, listen carefully, if the question is ending with 50 factorial but not preceded with any other number, here do not have to check how many 2's are there. Okay, here when the number is preceded by, okay, when the product is preceded by some number, that is 5 power 20, 5 power 50 etc., then surely you need to find out how many 2's also present there. Could you see the difference between these things? People understanding the difference
Yes.
between those things?
Yes, sir.
Very important. Okay, that point please take note of this. So now this 20 factorial. Okay, so now 20 by 5, 20 by 5 square, so this itself okay, exceed 20 by 25, just stop it here itself, therefore 4. So therefore how many 5's are there? How many 5's are there? How many 5's are there?
4.
24.
24.
24.
Yes, sir.
Now check with the how many 2's are there. Simple, how many 2's are there? So 20 by 2, 20 by 4, 20 by 8, 20 by 16, then 20 by 32. Stop here, cancel, that's it. So now 10, 5, 2, then here 1. We have to take only the quotient, not the remaining part. So now for 10 here, 5 here, 2 here, 1 here. So 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So therefore, which is the least among these two?
18.
18. So therefore, number of zeros in product is 18. I hope people getting. Srikant getting.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Manika getting.
Yes, yes.
So for this and all, yes, you need to understand a lot to work out these problems. Actually, I was planned to give this question as a practice, but not understanding by some people. So therefore, I have done this question. Now listen. So this is also a very new model, but not a complicated one. So now listen. See why I am teaching this thing, because UPSC raised their standards. So that is why I am doing this kind of questions. So please remember that one. Or else I will not teach you these things. Anybody seen me teaching this kind of questions? No. I haven't even taught in any batches. For a safety purpose, I am teaching you this question. Since if you go through 2022 question paper, same. Okay. Find the number of okay, find the remainder. So that is the question. Find the remainder when the expression has been provided in the product of two digits, but it has been divided by the 4 digit. But those kind of questions previously was not facing by the UPSC students. So they may get a confusion in those questions. So it's a very easy question, but they may get a confusion. So to avoid that only, here I am teaching you this kind of questions. Now how to solve this question? Find the number of zeros. Since everything in the product, okay, your ultimate aim is to, okay, find number of zeros. First thing you need to note down in the question is everything in the product or some addition is there or not. That's it. So apply your logic, then I will teach you. Even wrong, don't worry, you can express.
Sir, in the
Yes, yes.
previous question, I have one small doubt, sir. Previously, we did. In this 5 years or 24, we have written, no, sir. What is that 24? I mean,
How it came,
how it came?
year 20,
Yes, sir.
in this 20 factorial you are having 4,
4. Yes, sir.
so therefore 20 plus 4,
20,
therefore
24.
24. Clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So now understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you want, I have written here itself. Fine. So taking the classes only, my suggestion is taking the classes are very important. Rest is your choice. So now I am going to this question. Very important question. This model is very important. So now I will give you a clue. Okay. Then you people try with the clue. The thing is, okay, how many tens are there? Find out the tens. That's it. How many tens will be there? Listen carefully. After this dot dot dot. So that is the thing, mind game here. That's it. The mind game here is simple. After this, what will happen here? 9 power 10 will then 10 power 11. So like this you need to expand. So now what is happening here is, first of all you need to find out the multiples of 5. So 5 power 6. Okay, how many 5's are there? So number of 5's we are going to calculate here. So only, okay, number of 5's here is 6. That's it. So here this is unwanted thing, eliminate. This is unwanted, eliminate. This is unwanted, eliminate. Since we need to get the expression in terms of 2 into 5. Okay, I will teach you the another method also. Okay, before that you people learn this method. This is a shortcut method. You people learn this. Now next is 10 power 5 multiple is 10. So 10 power 11. Okay, 10 power 11. This can be written as 2 into 5 power 11. So here you will get a number of 5's. Okay, like this. Then so here 5 power 11, right? So 11 times you are getting, here 5 power 6 times you are getting. So next is multiple is 15. So therefore 15, okay, 15 what will come? So you need to add another 5, therefore 16 here. So this can be written as 3 into 5 power 16. 3 you do not have to bother. So since we need to express in terms of 5 power, then 20 or another you need to add another 5. So therefore 21 here. 21 can be expressed as 4 into 5. Okay, 4 into 5. So therefore this is nothing but 21. So therefore 5 power 21. Okay, so then next one is 25 power 26. This can be expressed as 5 into 5. 5 into 5 the whole power 26. This can be expressed as 5 power 52. Hope you are getting how 5 power 56. 5 square the whole power 26, then 2 into 26 will become 5 power 52. Getting? Then 30 here, 30 power 31. So 30 power 31 is nothing but 6 into 5. 6 into 5 the whole power 31. So therefore 31 times are there. Now how many 5's are there? Find out how many 5's are there. How many 5's are there? How many 5's are there? That's it. Add everything. 6 plus 11 plus 16 plus 21 plus 52 plus 31. How many there?
137.
137 5's are there. Clear? So therefore 137 zeros will be there. Understood? Or no?
Sir, here why are we not taking with 2?
Even you can take 2 also, not an issue. You can take a 2. You can
So
take a
then
2.
if we compare the powers of 5 and 2, then 2 will be small.
Huh?
And
How 2
then the
will be
power of
formed?
2 will be small.
How the 2
And
will be
then,
formed? Small.
sir, from 10, we are getting 11 twos. And
Hmm.
then, sir, for 4 into 5, we are getting here 2 twos.
Hmm.
And, sir, yeah, here 6, 3, 2 into 3. So
Hmm.
here also we are getting 31 twos.
Hmm.
So like that
What
way,
will
if we
happen to
compare.
12? What will happen to 14? What will happen to 16? What will happen to 18? What will happen to 22? What will happen to 24? What will happen to 26? What will happen to 28?
Okay, sir, got it. Matlab, I'll take either
No,
one
no, no,
power,
no.
either
That is
5 or
right.
2.
What you are saying is exactly right. What you are saying is exactly right. But these things you need to consider in your mind when you are expressing those things. That is my suggestion. Okay. Since always remember the total number of 5's is nothing but the total number of zeros. Okay. Since if you are having twos, okay, having twos, okay, let me tell you here. even okay, what she is asking is let us do that one. Okay, then only she will understand, and others also will able to understand. Okay, why I am doing that one. So you people done right with 5, everyone. 5s
Yes,
Yes.
are
sir.
137. Okay, let
Yes.
us check with the 2s. Okay, since to avoid our confusion, let us do. See, actually I thought to complete 2 topics today, so please cooperate. Those who are living, we should not bother about them. Even one student are there means I will take the class, since number of days are very less. Then listen carefully. Yesterday there was no recording also. We have done the recording, but only voice is saving. The screen is not saving. Some issues or technical issues are we are facing. So please try to understand our side also. So understand and cooperate. So now listen. So 5, don't bother about that. Leave it. So now whether the 6 can be expressed as 2 into 3, isn't it? So therefore 2 power 7. Okay, 7 2's are there. Understood? So 8
Yes,
can be
sir.
expressed as 2 into 2 into 2. Right? So therefore 9 here. So this itself a 2 cube. 2 cube the whole power 9. So therefore 27 powers are there here itself. Understood? Then
Yes, sir.
9 leave it. 10 10. Calculate with the 10. So 10, how many will be there? 10 power. So 2 power 11.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
25.
Since 5 we have calculated there. Okay,
Yes,
don't
sir.
bother about 5. So now you have to take it with the, so therefore 11. Then 12. So 12 can be expressed as, so now listen carefully. This is nothing but a 11 power 12, 12 power 13. Understood? 12 power 13. Now in this situation, what you need to do here, 12 can be expressed as 6 into 2. Right, or else 4 into 3. So or else you can take it as 6. Okay, let us take it as
20.
let us take this one, 2 into 2 into 3. This is fine, right? Now 13. So here itself 2 square, the 2 square, the whole power 13 power gets multiplied, therefore 26. Now let us move on with the 14. 14 power 15, isn't it? 14 power 15. Since 13 power 14 will come, 14 power 15. This can be written as 7 into 2. So 15 or then 30 powers are there. Then 15 leave it. Then 16 power 17. This can be written as what? 2 power 4. 2 power 4 the whole power 7. Okay. 17 into 4 itself what? 17 into 4 itself 34 68. Can you
Sir,
conclude with this itself as a greater than
sir,
137?
sir,
Hmm.
sir, can you repeat for 14 power 15? 7 into 2 power 15 only, na, sir. How come this 30 will
2
come?
power 15.
Yes, sir,
Here
here.
15. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So now, so here 68. Now you people add this, whether this itself exceeding 137 or not. Here
Yes, sir. It is
roughly calculate
exceeding.
40, 60, 100, then 15, 115. So rest of the things. So therefore, 2 powers exceeding the 137. 5 is 137. Then which is the least among the 2?
137.
So that aspirant raised a doubt. Now clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am not going to including in your PDF as this slide. I am deleting this one. For your purpose, I have explained here. Those who not attending the class, they cannot able to know this thing. Then very
Sir,
important model.
so it is mandatory to check both with 5 and 2, sir.
Of course, of course. The first
Okay,
thing is
sir.
you need to for this kind of questions. For this kind of questions, what you need to do is first thing is you need to find out the number of 5's. Clear?
Oh, okay, sir.
Since without 5, you cannot derive, you cannot express that in terms of your 10. right? Even you
Yes.
can say that, sir, we cannot express that in terms of a 10 even if a number of 2's are not there. Yes, of course, what you are assuming is correct. What she has said is absolutely right. Okay, that's it. We need to
Okay, sir.
express,
Thank you.
the given in terms of getting the base as a 10.
So,
That only you have to keep it in your mind. Yes, tell me.
so is it like when we are in the exam and suppose we get this question, so we can take only the number of fives and directly conclude that
Of course,
130
of course.
zeros are there, no?
Yes, of course.
We don't have to check for two because
Since
generally
here
the power two
what
will
has been provided here, lot of multiples of 5 only provided here in this question.
yes, sir.
So here in this product, which gives you more?
Number of
Multiples
twos
of
will go more.
multiples of 5,
Multiple of yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So that only plays a very vital role. Since listen carefully, the multiples of 2's are here more. Since 6 here, 8 here, okay, 6,
Yes,
8, then 10 here, then 12 here, 14 here, then 16 here, 18 here, 20 here, 22 here, 24 here, then 26 here, 28 here, 30 here.
yes, sir.
Okay, so in that situation, this is the product of your two. When the product of the two, obviously all the powers are more than that.
Of fives. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
So logics behind there to solve this kind of question. The simple thing is find the number of zeros, okay, which is equal to the number of
Fives.
fives.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Here, since why I'm saying is fives you can easily take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30, 6 only. So therefore, everyone understanding
Yes,
the
sir.
multiples of 2
Yes,
is
sir.
more than the multiples of 5. So multiples of 5 is very lesser here. Therefore, to see the lesser power, you need to see the multiples of 5's power. Clear? Some logics you need to apply there. Fine. I hope you people are getting the point.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this question, I'll wait. You people try this question. It's a very good question and a simple question. And I have taught a logic also here itself within previous models itself. You people just try this question. I'm taking this question as the last question of this day. Tomorrow we will discuss how to find the remainder of the number. Since remainder concept is also very important, I need some time to discuss a lot there. So here after this question, I would like to suggest you to take 2020, 2021, 2022 question paper, see the remainder questions and try to solve. All the questions are, sorry, not remainder question, find the number of zeros. Number of zeros question are there, I think in the 2020. So please take this 3 question paper and check. 2020 was there, I think so. So you people,
Yes, sir.
it's a very simple question. Just express the given in terms of, see those question and all easily you will express in terms of 2 into 5. Why I am taking this question on the safer side, you need to learn these models. Okay,
Sir,
that's why I'm
10, sir.
here 10 now. Anybody else getting any other answer? Any other answer? Okay.
So would the factorial be 49? 49 factorial. If we take 2 as common.
Okay, I will teach. So those who have done, very good. Those who haven't done, learn here. So 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 into dot 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 into 98. Yes, very good. 2 power 49, isn't it?
10, sir.
So then 1 into 2 into etc into 49. So therefore 2 power 49, therefore here 49 factorial. Now the rest of the thing is you need to find out how many 2's are there. So therefore 49 by 2 fine, then 49 by 4, 49 by 8 this is also fine, 49 by 16 also fine, 49 by 32 also fine, 49 by 64 not fine, cancel this one, stop here itself. So how many times here? 24 times here, right? 24 times. Here how many times? 12 times. Here how many times? 6 times. Here how many times? 3 times. Here how many times? Only 1 time. So now add here. So therefore 36, 42, 45, 46 46, right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore total 2 powers or what? Which is equal to 2 power, so that is 49 here plus 46 here. So totally add everything 15, 95 95. So now how many 5's are there? 49 by 5, 49 by 25, that's it. So rest is 49 by 125, we cannot, then stop it here itself. So now you can say that how many times here? 9 times here. How many times here? Only 1 time here. So therefore 10. So number of 5's are 10. So here 95. 10 is lesser than 95. So therefore total number of zeros are 10 in the given product. Everyone got it? Those who got 10 as the answer, they are correct. Fine, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Tomorrow what we will do is, tomorrow we are going to discuss very important things here. I am discussing lot of concept and then lot of problems, and models are also there. These and all we haven't done. So there practice questions also comes here. Okay. So practice question here itself. I will teach you these models also. Yes, various questions and different questions from our regular classes. So attend sincerely tomorrow also. Okay. Thank
So
you
can
all.
you send the practice questions as well, because we are not getting
No, no,
these.
no, 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 no. I am not going to give any questions here. Since you need to take at least 1 or 2 questions and solve. That's it. No need of number of questions. Understood?
Sir,
I will give
tomorrow
you.
class timing, sir.
Wait. I will give you number system practice question as a overall, not every topic wise.
Okay, after this ends.
Yep. Everything completed means I will give you a number system. It is not a kind of a practice, it is kind of a test also. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Since it's quite difficult to give a worksheet like how to find the number of product, those questions. Then so this and all I hope it's quite difficult for the teacher's
Sir,
perspective.
tomorrow's class timing, sir.
Same time.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay.
recordings you won't provide, sir.
No. Actually, recordings are not happening. This even we are doing the recording, voice only getting recording. Okay, recorded, not videos. Okay. So let
Sir,
it will.
sir, at
Wait a
least
minute.
you can send that.
Wait a minute. Let me